Pero ang aktor mula sa Dubai na si Omar Borkan Algala, nung pumunta kamakailan sa Saudi Arabia, na-deport dahil di mano masyado siyang guwapo. Believe it or not, pwede ka palang ma-deport dahil malakas lang ang iyong appeal. Ayon kasi sa mga kumalat na report sa internet, natakot daw ang mga otoridad sa Saudi Arabia na sa sobrang kagwapuhan ni Omar at ng dalawa pa niyang kasama, baka magkagulo at marami ang ma-inlove sa kanilang mga babae sa Saudi. Ang Saudi Arabia kasi kilalang konserbatibong bansa, lalo na pagdating sa kanilang mga kababaihan. Ngunit dahil din sa naturang pangyayari, si Omar naging instant international celebrity.
First day, two Chinese people that were walking and they recognized my face, so they asked for taking a picture and they were like forcing me on taking pictures. So I accepted the picture and I took a picture with them. They were good people. I like them. Now I start noticing a lot of people recognizing my face when I go out, especially like in the malls and the crowd places. There's a lot of people like noticing me. There's a lot of people taking pictures of me, and that feels amazing, to be honest with you. It's just great.
It's a surreal experience right now. We don't know how to explain it. All of a sudden, you get calls from different parts of the world, and then all of a sudden, things that are happening is just insane. How it just spread, and your whole world just turned upside down almost overnight.
Nakakakilig yung itsura niya, gwapo. Para siya artista.
Gaya ng Middle East na nandito yan kasi pogi yan, mga anak ng babae.
Gwapo. Pati nga ako, kalalaki ko tayo, nakakita ko sa kanya.
I had the body for the model. I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'4". So I tried it and I liked it. I tried to be a model. I tried to pose in front of the camera, and so I just kept going on it and make it better and better. Yeah, I'm single. Oh, I give love. Whoever gives me love, I just give it love back. Whoever say I love you, I say I love you too. For me, if I take everything easy in life and I don't let any negative stuff affect my personal life, I think I'm always gonna look good. I'll always keep smiling on my face, and smile never hurt. I love you guys. I really appreciate your love. I really appreciate the support that you guys give me. And mahal kita and salam.